discussion on optimal well-being through dietary supplements. In its efforts towards fostering a healthier nation through preventive approach to wellness, Amway India, a leading company supporting health and well-being needs, in collaboration with the Indian Chamber of Commerce, ICC, recently hosted a panel discussion on optimal wellness through dietary supplements. In the city, optimal wellness is a holistic approach to health that focuses users on achieving the best possible state of physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In line with this concept, the event aimed to promote holistic health and well-being through proper nutrition in diet and need-based supplementation to fill the nutrition gap, along with a positive attitude, adequate exercise, and proper sleep, the four key pillars of optimal health. In the panel were Dr. Deb Prasad Chattopadhyay, Founder Director ICMR, National Institute of Traditional Medicine, and Dr. Sanjoy Sarkar, MBBS, MD, DNB, Gastroenterology, and Mr. Chandra Chakrabarti, Senior Vice President, East and West, Amway India. The discussion was moderated by Ms. Hena Nafees, Lending Nutrition and Wellness Consultant. At the event, Mr. Chandra Chakrabarti represented the company's vision, commitment, and ongoing efforts towards helping enhance the health and well-being of people across India. Nutrition is a cornerstone of optimal well-being, and there is an increasing understanding of this among consumers in India, which is evident from the surge of the Indian nutritional supplement market. In line with our vision of helping people live better, healthier lives, we have always strived to cater to the evolving needs of consumers through our flagship brand Nutralite, the world's selling dietary and supplement brand. With a health-first approach, we have been promoting optimal health and well-being for decades, and while we continue to bring our best offerings, we have kept our focus on four key pillars EARN that advocates a holistic approach to well-being with proper exercise, positive attitude, adequate rest along with a well-balanced, healthy diet and nutrition. We also emphasize the importance of starting the day with adequate nutrition. For example, a protein and fiber-rich morning nutrition ritual provides essential nutrients to help people begin their day with sustained energy and better digestion, he said at the event. The panel also featured Dr. Deba Prasad Chattopadhyay, who spoke about the merits and demerits of modern diets, why we need dietary supplements, and also addressed misconceptions on protein supplementation. Emphasizing the importance of protein in daily nutrition for optimal well-being, he said, protein is essential for bodily functions, including immune support. Nutrients for optimal well-being and the need for supplementation, and to this tune how good quality plant-based supplements play a crucial role in fulfilling any protein. Getting enough protein for every individual is very important. However, protein requirements are based on your lifestyle, activity level, and health status. According to the ICMR guidelines, the recommended dietary allowance (RDA) for protein is 0.83 grams per kilogram of body weight for adults. In today's fast-paced world, changing dietary preferences, busy lifestyles, and lack of awareness about nutritional needs can sometimes make it challenging to obtain sufficient protein through diet alone. This is where good quality protein supplements come into play. These supplements are designed to complement a well-balanced diet, filling any nutritional gaps and when used in moderation and in accordance with individual dietary needs. The discussion also delved into the importance of protein as one of the most essential corrected amino acids (PDCAAS) are highly effective. plant protein supplements derived from high-quality plant sources like soy, pea and wheat, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for a balanced diet make up for an ideal choice. Equally important is the absence of artificial ingredients, preservatives, or harmful substances such as aflatoxins and pesticide, which can compromise safety and quality. Dr. Sanjoy Sarkar spoke about the key attributes that an ideal plant protein supplement should possess. As a gastroenterologist, I often refer to numerous clinical studies that highlight the health benefits of dietary supplements, particularly focusing on macro and micronutrients. These studies reveal that while deficiencies can lead to serious health issues, overuse can also have certain effects. Protein absorption varies across different age groups, making it crucial to choose a supplement that is easily digestible and efficiently absorbed. Many people avoid plant protein, assuming it's hard to digest. However, good quality plant protein supplements with a high protein digestibility. In essence, the panel discussion underscored the critical role of proper nutrition and dietary supplements in achieving optimal wellness, reflecting the ongoing commitment to promoting health and well-being across the nation. Driven by its flagship brand, the company remains dedicated to empowering individuals to make informed choices about their health and aims to foster a culture of preventive healthcare for a healthy life.